we're meeting up with my twin and her husband. Can't wait, haven't seen them for a couple of months, and yeah, so it's raining, little bits and pieces, but it's not going to spoil our excitement at catching up. Alright, so bonus of having your twin sister staying at a cottage with a washing machine and dryer, you get your washing done, like 3 weeks worth, and there's still another bed sheets and towels to go, so awesome! Because I don't know whether you're with me, but one of the hard things is getting washing done. It seems a constant. You can wear your clothes for days and days, but eventually you need to do washing. So this has been a godsend. A little bit of cloud, a little bit overcast. We've had a bit of rain in the night, but it feels like I'm on an island. Dunk Island is in the background, you can see that. A little bit cloudy, misty, but just get a load of these palm trees. They just go way, way, way down. Just, there we go, that's better. How awesome is that? All the way. The beach just goes on forever. Of course it doesn't, but I'm here admiring the sunrise, praying that the sun just keeps fighting its way out of those clouds. So here's hoping for a good day, but anyway, even if it does rain, it's just glorious here. Typical of the tropics, bit of rain, bit of sunshine.
It's not real good.
This is a boat ramp.
No.
Well, you never know your luck. I reckon we could throw a line in here. Got to be some fish. Yeah, look, we can go up there. Looks like a... Look at that, Jules.
142. Heading into wine time.
Ah, it's worth it. What was it, about 5 metres from the edge, Warren, for crocodiles?
Yeah, the salties, the freshwater don't really bother you too much.
So we've finally got a sunny day and the wind's up, but as long as it blows the rain away, we don't care. Just look at that beach. And there's Dunk Island in the background in all its glory. This caravan park is amazing. Why you wouldn't want to stay here? I don't know. Because it is dead set for a beachfront site on the beach. You just go down a little path and you have this at your doorstep. There's a camp kitchen, there's hot showers. It is an awesome place to stay and not over the top pricing. And you've got pubs within walking distance. You've got little shops, great little walkway that goes right along the beach. We're loving it here and I can't recommend this place high enough. Mission Bay Caravan Park. Do yourself a favour, get down here, book a site because it is busy. It gets booked out really quickly. Even in bad weather. We've had some bad weather for the last couple of days, but you know what? Some days you just got to go with the flow. Went for a drive yesterday and then a hike into Tully Gorge. So there's plenty to do. The weather turns bad, but you know what? I'm still loving where we are. We've done the walk to Lovers Beach. A little bit rocky for my liking, but it's still a gorgeous setting with Dunk Island in the background. So this is our campground. It's the unpowered section. Quite a bit of shade. Got to get the solar blankets out. It's been good, except the weather has been not so great. Overcast, windy, and but it's still, all in all, a good spot to camp up, and we're right just beside the beach, so you can't get better than that. Okay, so this is what you do when it's blowing a gale. It's pack up day. You get the jet bowl out, coffee cups, milk, and that sucker will boil the water for 2 cups in a matter of minutes. How good. We certainly enjoyed using it. It's been something that we bought. They're not cheap, but definitely worthwhile. Bring on the coffee. Alright, we've arrived at Maria Creek just before it hits the ocean. Been told there's some large crocodiles here, so been told to stay back 5 meters, but that's a bit hard when you've got a cast net. Go Shane. He's looking for some bait. All right, we'll let you know how we go. Feeling pretty positive about this. We've had luck with creeks so far. All right, quite a success here. What do we got? What are these little suckers?
Little herring.
Little herring. I think people eat them. Oh, holy moly. There you go. There's one. Hello.
Sarnie, is that one?
It's going to be a few dog barks on this one. There you are. And Warren's having a flick. Just look at this place. If anything, we've caught herring, so we're quite happy at this point. And the boys are still contemplating whether or not we should pack up or not. Warren, what'd you say about fishing? No, it was something else about why they call it fishing.
Not catching.
Not catching, so it's called fishing for a reason. So we've just left Carmine Beach and we headed inland to Mariba. So praying that there's going to be a little less wind and not too much rain. I think it's going to be a little bit cooler, but we'll
Get to fix the CV.
yeah, got to do a bit of running repairs on Lowry, so Warren's going to be under the hood. We're a bit worried it might fall on him with such winds that where we were.
No, we were too windy.
No, but it was windy. Oops. So yeah, we'll let you know when we get there. All right, so here we have it. Warren's. Are you getting it off? Is that what you're doing?
Yep. Taking it off.
Taking the
Cover cap off.
cover cap because we're replacing the CV joint.
Yep.
Because the boot was cracked.
Yep.
There you go. So he's got the safety little rack, whatever they're called. He's got the jack on. And he's doing a bit of lying down, but necessary for this kind of work. That long thing, that's what you're replacing.
Yeah.
That's like a toilet pumper. So that's the CV joint.
That's the CV joint. That's where it's broken there. It's been with oil.
Oh, is that why you just had oil all over your fingers?
No, that's from here.
Hey?
That's from here.
Ah, but that's...
Yeah, look,
What made you realise it was cracked?
when I was underneath the car having a look.
You just saw
Check
it.
the bolt check. Alright.
Well, that's it. That's the part we've been carrying around all this time.